Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in the edition of today's newspaper of Friday, April the 12th, 2024. Almost weekend, and I've already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic in Dutch, they call it Cyber Block in Japanese, Suguru. And this will be number 8354. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is 15 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones, there's always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 15. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? I see here single box, there's single box, always a 1 single box. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and 2. No dual boxes here. How about triple boxes here? Contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. Well, I see here a triple box. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always a 3 or a 4. 3 or 4, okay. And more triple boxes? No. How about quadruple boxes then? See here a quadruple box in an L shape. And when you see a quadruple box in an L shape, remember that the inside box of a quadruple L shape is always a 5. And this box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Okay. More quadruple boxes. Here, a quadruple box. Well, cannot fill those numbers. Need to wait. The 1 is already given. More quadruple boxes. No. Then my following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape, the S shape. If you flip this or mirror this, you will get the Z construction. Yeah, it's the same shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. The Z construction. Only one in this puzzle. Then the following shape, how about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see this T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that this box has the same number as that box. Okay. The T shape upside down, this one. Okay. Then the following shape, we have only one T shape, I believe. Yes. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here we have another one. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3 here. Alright. And this shape, same shape. This box has the same number as that box. And here we have another one. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Yeah, the L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes in this puzzle? No. And those are the shapes. No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it, that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These two boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. Alright. Then these two boxes surround a 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. Then, let me see. Yeah. Alright. Need to fill some numbers here. This box can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. Well. These two boxes can be 1. Those two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. And this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this T-shaped area should be there. And is connected with that box should be so 2. 1 box left in this area for number 4. This box can be a 4, so the 4 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this quadra L shape for number 2. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for number 3. And the 4, 3 to 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be so a 3. 1 box left in this quadra L shape for number 4. Alright. Well, this box can be 3. So the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this triple box, not quadra. Triple box should be a 1. Alright. And now, let me think. This one is connected with that one. So it should be 2 and a 3. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for 5 in this Z construction or the S construction should be there. These 3 boxes can be a 5. These, the same 3 boxes can be a 3. So 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4 is connected with that box. So 2 and 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be and a 5 goes there. Is connected with that box. This one should be also a 3. This box can be 4. That box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 5. Because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. Then, let me think. Well, okay. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 1 there. If we place the 1 there, then this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1, but we already have a 1 there. So not the solution, place the 1 there. The only place left the 1 should be here. Okay. Then, these 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. I go up. I need to finish this. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Yeah. These two boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I can fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I can fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be a 2. One box left in the triple box for number 3. Alright. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 now, so this can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. This one is connected with that box, should be so 2. 2 and 5, we have a 2 now. So here can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be 5. These two boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a 5 here, so here can be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. Then, let me see, these two boxes can be 5, so one box left for 5 in this area should be there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for us, 3 and a 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 3, so one box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Well, this box can be 2, this box can be 4, so the 2 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there, 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, no 2 there, 2 should be here, 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, so one box left for the 2 in this area should be there. Is connected with that box, should be so 2. 2 numbers left in this area from us 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be in, a 5 goes there. This box can be 5, that box can be 5. So one box left for the 5 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be in, and 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 4, so one box left for the 4 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 2. 3 and a 2, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be in, a 3 goes there. We go up. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. I need a 4 here. These two boxes can be 2, so one box left for the 2 in this quadra box should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Is connected with that box, should be so 3 and a 4. Okay. And these two boxes can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Interesting. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. We have a 5 in the same area. Alright. I marked those two boxes elevated 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 4. These two boxes can be 4, so one box left for the 4 in this S construction should be there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. Is connected with that box should be so 1. One box left in this S construction for number 3. Is connected with that box should be so 3. One box left in this quadra box for number 4. One box left in this area for number 3. Mark those two boxes earlier with the 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can be 4 and more. That box should be a 4, and one box left in this area for number 1. Finish in 14 minutes. Well. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. Yes, it's weekend, so have a great and fantastic Friday. And yeah, until then, bye bye for now.